In this tutorial, we'll be taking a look at how to password your Windows computer system and restrict unauthorized access to your computer. When you add a password as a means of protection to your Windows PC, any user without the correct password will not be able to have access into your computer, even though the individual may have access to your physical computer. So to password and protect your computer system, you simply come to the start icon. You can either click on the start icon, the Windows icon, and then click on settings. This is the icon for settings. When you click on it, you'll be taken to this platform, and where you can effect the password and protect your system is under the accounts. But another way of accessing the setting is to right click on the Windows icon. When you right click on it, then you can click on settings. You'll be brought to this screen, and here you click on accounts. This is the only account presently. In a different tutorial, we'll be looking at how to add additional accounts where you allow other users to access and use your computer, but they are restricted from accessing your part of the computer where you have your files and other data. You wouldn't want every other user to be able to access. So whilst you are here, you come to the sign in options. You click on the sign in options, and then you have a variety of options. But here you come to the password. When you click on the password, because presently this system is not passworded, what that means is that when you turn the power of the system on, you will be able to access the entirety of the computer. The window will boot to completion, and then you can right away use it. As you can see here, it says your account doesn't have a password. You must add a password before you can use the other sign-in options. So now we're going to have a password to this computer by simply clicking on add, and here we'll be asked to add a password. So please be sure to add the password that you can easily remember. If you made the mistake of adding a password that you can easily forget, it's going to be difficult for you to access your computer. You're going to need a professional help for you to be able to access your own computer. So please be sure to add a password that you can easily remember but difficult for others to guess. I'm going to input a password. Okay, you confirm the password, and that simply means repeat the password that you just inputted up there. Here you are asked to add a password hint. What that simply means is anything that can easily remind you of your password in case you forget it. I'm just going to add ABC. When you are done, you click on next and then finish. The password has been added to the system. Anytime you put off the system and you on it again, you're going to be asked to add the password before you can access the computer. So what that means is that any unauthorized user who is unable to provide the password for the system will not be able to use this computer. The next time you put on the computer, you get to this screen and you'll be asked to provide the password. So any unauthorized user not having the password will not be able to proceed beyond this point. Firstly, let me add an incorrect password and see. When you click on enter, you will simply see the password is incorrect. Try again. So now I'm going to input the correct password. When I click enter, then the system has opened up for me.